Happy Saturday morning, everyone. We've got something a little bit different, haven't we?
Yeah,
now there's a bit of a story.
Got our little Fergie, which is my dad's, and it's looking a little bit sorry for itself. It's used for launching boats. So we've got issue number one is creamy oil.
That's not good.
It had a radiator leak.
We did that though, didn't we?
And I think unfortunately before the radiator was fixed, it caused the head gasket to go. So yeah, got a new head gasket for it, so the plan is to do that. We've also got some new wheels because this one's not too bad, but you can see it start to split away here and there. So if you come on the other side, it's looking a bit rusty in the back. So this all needs cleaning up and we're going to give it a coat of paint. Need to get its winch working for him again. And then if you look at the state of this wheel,
wow,
this one obviously is flat, but the reason it's flat is because the rim's gone and it's put a hole in the inner tube. Round here, next problem, it's not round here, it's on the other side, Robin.
I was going to say, I thought it was the other side.
Yeah,
it's got quite a list.
Basically, it's not selecting gears properly. So apparently there's some adjustment inside, which when we split it in two last time, we didn't know that you can adjust them. So it's a bit hard to get into gear. So again, we need to split it in two, set the clutch, put it back together. So yeah, so we've got head gasket, clutch to do, new wheels. We've also got new arches because the arches are rotten, and a coat of paint, and hopefully fix the winch. So yeah, let's get it off, get it in the workshop.
Sounds good. Well, we are back. We've even got Barney in tow to give you a little bit of an update on the Fergie tractor. Now, unfortunately, obviously our plan for this was to repaint all of it and get it all nice. But due to the cold weather, we didn't have anywhere that was warm enough to continue painting it. So we've just kind of had to leave it to one side until it started to warm up a bit. Not that that's the case today because it's gone frosty again, which is a bit of a shock to the system, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah, it's a bit chilly out.
But you've been busy anyway, haven't you?
Yeah, so last night decided to put a bit of time in on it, got the cylinder head off, old head gasket which is about 3 years old, but unfortunately the radiator was leaking and it got a bit warm, so it has damaged it again. I can't see at what point it has gone, but I've got to start here. So we'll get a new head gasket on it, get it all rebuilt. I've started cleaning it all up ready. Yeah. So, and then we can get painting it again. I got to here.
You got to there?
Yeah, and then that needs cleaning up and painting, but for now, we'll just get it running and driving again.
To be fair though, it's quite nice to get it to this point because at least then we can get to the bottom of the engine and the gearbox and everything to make sure it's all painted.
So I've also done a bit of research into the clutch last night as well, and
that's not supposed to touch, is it?
Why it doesn't work properly. So yeah, we'll have a see if we can reset that as well.
Yeah, isn't it? What was it? Somebody said about putting a piece of string on it to hold it in the right position.
Yeah, so basically hold it up with a piece of string and put a little spanner or a nut in there. Will give you the gap and then adjust it. Now that was never done when it was split in two.
It's the beauty of YouTube though, isn't it? The little indiscretions that you don't notice first time round, you can find that somebody else has done it and gone, haha, this is what we should have done. Go on, you can do it.
Moment of truth.
Oh, we've got...
I lift this underhead onto there. So it's all cleaned up.
Shiny new gasket.
Yeah. Just this all cleaned up, so just need to get this on now. Might leave me one of them.
And there's There's nothing trapped. Well done.
You've jinxed that. Yeah, what didn't show you?
Wow.
That's why we're doing the sunbed gasket.
Oh, that is minging.
100 quid if you're lucky.
My name's not Sam.
Right.
Oh, it's all in there as well.
You took me the
So what are they?
push rods.
Push rods. Carefully marked out in the correct order. What I'll do is I'll just do notes over the top of the videoing so I know what to say.
And then you've got to adjust your tappets afterwards.
And the rockers.
Yes,
Or does it not have rockers?
Tappets, yes.
Yeah. See, I do know some bits. Barney, did you have fun? Did you? Did you go and play in the mud? Did you? Yeah, I don't want to wear it though. No, thank you. Go on, go play. Go on, go play. Yeah, you definitely had fun. Final words?
Okay, so she's finally all done. Head gasket's done. Readjusted the clutch, which was actually a pedal fault, which I found a nice YouTube video saying about putting a little 6mm nut in between there, spacing it properly. That's fixed the clutch. Obviously it's had a couple of coats of paint, some new arches, some new wheel rims. Yeah, doesn't look too bad.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, it still smells of paint though. Obviously it's not dry properly yet.
Let's hope you don't sit on any.
No. So,
That'll be a fun ride.
Let's go and drop it off.
We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you next time.
Am I wrong? Thinking out the box from where I stay.